Good morning, students. Today we will start with exercise 4.2. So let's see question number 1. It is given that which one of the following options is true and why? Y equals to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution, only two solutions, or infinitely many solutions. So when you look into this question, what do you find? That this is a linear equation in two variables. So yesterday only we learnt that linear equations in two variables has infinitely many solutions. So third option is correct for the first question. Now let us see question number 2. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. Yesterday only we discussed this type of question. So we have to find out 4 solutions for each of the equations given. So let us do question number 1. It is given 2x plus y equals to 7. So let us find the 4 solutions for this equation. So let us solve. So students, yesterday only we talked about and discussed about this type of equation. So let us solve this question. So we have to find out 4 solutions for this equation. So the equation given is 2x plus y equals to 7. So let us take case 1 when x equals to 0. In that case what will happen? In place of x we will put 0 plus y equals to 7 or y equals to 7. So the first solution is 0, 7. Now let us take another one. Let y equals to 0. In this case 2x plus 0 equals to 7 or 2x equals to 7 or x equals to 7 by 2, that is 3.5. So the solution in the second case is 3.5, 0. Now see, let us find the third solution. Let us take let y equals to 1. So 2x plus, in place of y will put 1, equals to 7. So 7 minus 1 equals to 6, or 2x equals to 6, or x equals to 6 by 2, that is 3. So the solution is 3, 1. Let us take another solution. Let us take another one. Let y equals to minus 1. In this case 2x minus 1 equals to 7, or 2x equals to 7 plus 1, that is 8, or x equals to 8 by 2, that is 4. So the solution in this case will be 4 minus 1. So the 4 solutions to this equation are 4 solutions will be 0, 7, 3.5, 0, 3, 1 and 4 minus 1. I told you yesterday only that there is no hard and fast rule that you have to put these values only. You can put whatever values you want in place of x and y and get the answer. So students, do question number 2 and 3 of the same part, means second and third part of question 2 as your homework. In case of second one, pi x plus y equals to 9, write down the solution in terms of pi only. So as a homework, you complete question number 1 and 2 in your maths notebook. Thank you.